Good afternoon to all of you, today's participants and well-wishers. We are very pleased to announce that today we have a session with Dr. Tulika Dasji. And the topic for today's webinar is Love Divided, Heart Support. So a brief introduction about today's sponsor, Dr. Tulika Dasji got a master's in counseling and spiritual health. After retiring from one of the best institutes of Calcutta, he has started her counseling sessions, and with our effective counseling techniques, many of our clients have got enormous benefits in respect to overcoming the problems of stress, depression, anxiety, and anger, and are now leading a life free of stress, depression, anger, and anxiety, and leading a life full of peace, happiness, and abundance. With her in supportive role, we have Sister Rakhi Maharaj. Sister Rakhi Maharaj is from the education sector, and she is also got a master's in counseling and spiritual health, and the last 4.5 years regularly conducting webinars, and has created more than 300 videos so far. Today's session will be live on YouTube as well as it will be uploaded on Facebook. We accept any kind of counseling in respect to relationship issues, and can be contacted on number 932107007. Request our viewers to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for themselves and to their friends. And we'll be very happy if they can be with us for this session, the beginning to end, with the remembrance of Balavishi Baba, the Supreme Father, Supreme Teacher, Supreme Sadguru, one and above Supreme Counselor. So we also seek the blessing from our most loving Dadis and from senior brothers and sisters. May request Dr. Tulika Dasji to start today's session. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everybody. Our demo counseling session today is on love divided, hearts apart. It has been observed that the birth of a sibling can lead to emotional changes in a child, including feelings of jealousy, insecurity, and resentment, which may manifest as negative behaviors like withdrawal or aggression. While some children experience stress and sadness, many adjust well and develop positive emotions like excitement and a desire to help care for their new baby. Ultimately, a child's emotional response depends on individual temperament, family dynamics, and how the transition is handled by parents. Today, we shall take the case of a 10-year-old girl who feels that she is deprived of all the love and affection after the birth of her brother. Her mother is very much upset at her daughter's attitude and behavior towards her baby brother. Her case is an example of sibling rivalry, magnified by emotional neglect and socio-economic stress. With empathy, communication, and consistent positive reinforcement, she can regain emotional balance, rebuild her relationship with her brother. Sister Rakhi shall play the role of the mother. With the blessings of Parampita Paramatma, our Supreme Father, Supreme Teacher, and Supreme Counselor, we shall start today's session. Good afternoon, sister. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Bas what I have told you in my on phone, okay, I have a problem regarding children, so I have to come there. Actually, ma'am, abhi 1 year I have a old child, boy, and वन इज जो है जो मेरी बेटी बड़ी वाली है आई हैव 2 चिल्ड्रंस। तो बट ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि व्हेन आई गिव द सेकंड चाइल्ड, तो जो बड़ी बेटी है, शी फील्स माय मॉम निग्लेक्ट्स मी, she doesn't love me, my father, even grandfather, mother जो है वो भी उन उसको she feel कि anybody don't likes me, doesn't loves me. और main reason is that I have to came there कि I have watched her कि when I gave the uh, brother to take care of him. Even ki when I go to the kitchen, washing clothes, whenever household work, so she doesn't care her. Even she neglect her, and I think she beats her him. क्योंकि जब भी मैं उसके उसको हैंड में दिया उसको, तो थोड़ी देर बाद रोना स्टार्ट हो जाता है। एंड आई थिंक कि मुझे लगता है कि वो मारती है उसको। तो और रीजन ये भी है कि मारना वगैरह वो, चलो मुझे लगता है कि उसको लगता है कि मैं माय मदर डजंट लव्स मी। इवन जब व्हेन शी born and she give her full attention, everyone give her full attention, so she feels happy, uh, good in studies. Now she is studying in a fifth standard, and fourth standard that she got very good marks. But now in fifth standard, she doesn't have a growing up, but she is just fall down, and percentage भी less हो गई है। तो जिसकी वजह से आई थिंक कि व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, ये क्या कर रही है। उसको मैं कितना बोलती हूँ कि कंसंट्रेट ऑन स्टडीज, गो, व्हाई यू हैव टेक 5 marks out of 10। तो टीचर्स भी मुझे स्कूल में बुलाने लगे हैं कि योर चाइल्ड, जो शिवानी है मेरे बच्चा का नाम, तो योर चाइल्ड इज हैज वेरी डाउन इन स्टडीज, व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस। इस तरह से टीचर से पूछने लगे हैं। तो फिर आई आल्सो फील वेरी बैड अबाउट कि ये क्या हो रहा है। कि जब ये छोटा हुआ है मेरा, मन्नू, मोनू बोलते हैं उसको हम, तो उसको ना ये क्या कर रही है। इवन जन जब ये मोनू नहीं हुआ था, तो I give her, I gave, she likes dance very much. I joined the to do the ये class join कर लो। And if I told you कि we are very ना middle family मैम, कि हम सिंपल से बंदे हैं, कि जैसे कि मैं भी कुछ घर का काम वगैरह करती, घर पे भी कुछ हमारे घर के पास ही मैं उस शॉप लगा लेती हूँ कि जैसे सामान कुछ सेल करती हूँ। एंड माय हस्बैंड इज ये स्वीट्स की शॉप है उनकी, कि चलो जैसे कि हम मिडिल फैमिली में थोड़ी सी छोटी सी शॉप है, उस पे ही सामान वगैरह बनाना, तो हेल्प कर देते हैं उनको भी। अपनी भी रखी हुई है कि सामान थोड़ा सेल करते हैं, जैसे कि घर का जो है कि चलता है, फाइनेंशियली जो है हो जाता है। बट अब मैं इसको कौन से स्कूल में डालूं कि आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि विच स्कूल इज बेटर फॉर हर, की जिससे कि ये फील गुड इन स्टडीज, कंसंट्रेट इन स्टडीज, एंड फील अबाउट गुड। क्योंकि आई थिंक मुझे भी लगता है जब हम भी छोटे थे, जब अगर आई आई एम एल्डेस्ट चाइल्ड इन माय फैमिली, तो होता ही है ना कि बच्चे फील करते हैं कि मम्मी हमको प्यार नहीं कर रही है, छोटे को प्यार कर रही है। तो आई थिंक शी आल्सो फील दैट कि माय मदर just loves Monu, and she neglect me. And 1 month before I told you ki what happened is कि I'm sure कि she try to damage the Monu, कि जैसे I gave him कि I gave her कि to you have to take care properly, even कि मैं उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन भी दे के गई थी, but she even beats him in eyes, तो she crying, he cries, तो फिर मैंने बोला ये क्या हुआ, तो शी टोल्ड मी कि ये इसको ना बॉल लग गई है, तो ये तभी रो रहा है। तो मैंने बोला तुमने ही कुछ किया होगा, मुझे पता है जब भी मैं तुम्हें देखती हूँ यू बीट हिम। वो रोता रहा, दिन भर रोता रहा। नेक्स्ट डे जाके जब मैंने डॉक्टर को भी बताया कि ये क्या हो रहा है इसको, छोटे को, फिर डॉक्टर ने ऑइंटमेंट आईज में कुछ लगाया तो ठीक हुआ। तो इस रीजन से मैंने फिर अपनी वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड की आई शेयर द व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन माय होम, तो शी सजेस्ट योर नेम कि गो टू तुलिका दास मैम की शी टेल्स अबाउट द इन दैट सिचुएशन की काउंसलिंग करवानी चाहिए कि क्या करना चाहिए। और क्योंकि मुझे अपनी जो मान्या है, मुझे मान्या का हो रहा है कि she take care, she take the higher marks in studies and concentrate on studies, but uh, मुझे पता नहीं क्यों ये फील हो रहा है कि जब भी उसको बोलती हूँ वो शी गिव्स आंसर अबाउट, जवाब देती है कि उल्टा जवाब देती है कि आपको क्या है, चिड़चिड़ी सी हो गई है, बात नहीं मानती है। तो दैट्स व्हाई आई केम हियर मैम कि इन दैट सिचुएशन व्हाट आई हैव टू डू।
Sister, I've understood what you're trying to say. You and your husband work very hard, no, to support
या
your family.
यस
And
यस
Shivani is your elder child.
या
She goes to school. She's in the fifth
यस
standard. She
यस
also enjoys dancing. Hmm.
यस
But after the birth of your younger son, that is Monu,
मोनू
so her behavior has changed, isn't it?
यस या
And she complains that everybody loves her brother more than her, isn't it?
यस
So
या
she misbehaves with her brother when she's left
या
unsupervised. You think she often beats him also, no? And now
यस
she has become increasingly adamant and she's less interested in studies, isn't it?
यस यस
So
यस
she sometimes avoids schools and coaching classes, no?
यस
And
डेफिनेटली वही इस तरह से ही करती है, जब भी उसको बोलती हूँ गो टू द ट्यूशन, इवन डांस क्लास, शी डजंट टेक द इंटरेस्ट।
Mhm. And you also told me sometimes she doesn't go to school and she stays at home to do some household work, isn't it?
या
Ah, so
यस ये शी आल्सो जस्ट एंजॉय द हाउस होल्ड वर्क, बिकॉज उसको जब हम लेते थे ना घर पे कि चलो हेल्प कर दो, तो
hmm,
जस्ट अब मोर देन उसी में इंटरेस्ट देती है कि आई हैव टू डू द हाउस होल्ड वर्क, डजंट लाइक, इवन आई फील कि शी अफ्रेड, शी रन अवे फ्रॉम द स्टडीज है, कि भागती है स्टडी से ना, कि ये मैं नहीं लर्न कर पाऊंगी, इस तरह से बोलती है। तो आई टोल्ड हर यू हैव एनफ टाइम टू लर्न। पता नहीं आप क्या है, इवन कि मैंने ट्यूशन भी अच्छी से लगाई है, इवन कि आई हैव गिव हर 2 tutors, कि 1 hour एक्स्ट्रा ट्यूटर के लिए भेजती हूँ उसको। तो मैं भी देखती हूँ कि अब छोटा तो है, मैं फिर भी उसको थॉरोली वॉच करती हूँ कि चलो मुझे ये सुनाओ, तो जब मैं सुनती हूँ शी डजंट गिव मी द आंसर, एंड मार्क्स भी लेस लाती है, कम लाने लगी है।
so she's showing more interest in doing housework, isn't it? And
या
so you and your husband are also worried about it, and you sometimes scold her. And you said recently what happens? An incident happened, they were both playing, no?
यस
And she hit Monu in the eyes, no?
यस
And Monu was hurt. So you went to the doctor, he gave medicine. Huh?
यस
So I understand you have to keep Monu under her supervision for a long time, isn't it? Because you have to go to the shop, you have to attend to
Yeah.
your business also. So you wanted Shivani to look after her little brother, but after this incident, you are am I right?
Yes.
Huh? So you believe that she did it intentionally, purposely, to hurt her brother out of jealousy. But
Yes.
she says that it is an accident. No, she didn't do
हाँ,
it
जब
purposely.
जब मैं उसे पूछती हूँ कि why you have to do this, तो she reply कि नो मम्मा ये मैंने नहीं किया, ये ऐसे ही हो गया, मैंने नहीं किया, इस तरह से बोलती. बट आई नोटिस्ड हर ना कि उसको वो केयर ही नहीं करती है, तो दैट्स व्हाई ये भी है. तो यही रीजन है ना कि क्यों इस तरह से कर रही है, कि ये भी आया जाता है.
So now what happened? You are very worried about her behavior and her lack of interest in studies.
Inside,
Isn't it?
yes. Yeah.
See, I must tell you this is very common. And it has been observed that the birth of a sibling can lead to emotional changes in a child, including feelings of jealousy, insecurity, and resentment. See, and they are often expressed in the form of negative behavior, like withdrawal or aggression. See, some children experience stress and sadness, but many will adjust well and develop positive emotions like excitement and a desire to help care for the baby. See, you are a loving mother doing your best in difficult circumstances. Your fear is natural, but your love can heal both children if guided with patience. See, you have come at the right time, and I'm sure you will be able to help your daughter to feel better. See,
Okay.
first of all, let us understand Shivani's behavior. Okay, she is
जी.
not stubborn or jealous. She does not want to express cruelty or hatred towards her brother. She feels neglected, and she feels her baby brother has replaced her in your love and attention towards her. So this is an emotional reaction. See, 9 years, Shivani received your attention as well as her father's attention. She was the
जी.
only child in the family.
Yes.
She felt secure and loved. She was very happy. But
Yes.
after Monu's birth, what happened? It is obvious that you have to pay him much more attention.
Yes.
Isn't it? So she is not used to this. And so she feels neglected, unimportant, and insecure. Now let's try to understand her emotions. See, she feels that your affection has shifted towards Monu. So she wants to draw your attention, and she wants to get your approval from doing the household work rather than focusing on her studies. See, if you scold her, it will not do. Instead, you have to talk to her. You have to communicate openly with her. You must discuss the matter openly, very calmly, with affection. See, her misbehavior and her decline in studies are symptoms of unmet emotional needs, not disobedience. See, you must recognize that her jealousy is a natural reaction to feeling left out. Don't say she's bad. Never say that she's jealous. Okay. Try to understand her feelings and emotions and show empathy to her. Tell
How?
her that you understand that she feels hurt when you spend more time with Monu, but he's only a baby. He cannot do anything on his own. So you must feed him, you must bathe him, you must dress him, you must help him in everything. He is dependent upon you. So you must give him time. When he grows up, he will become independent he will not require your help anymore. See, she is too young to understand that it is not possible for you to give her 24 hours attention as you had done earlier.
Yeah.
She is suffering silently. So that she doesn't want to go to school is just a way of expressing hurt and seeking attention. See, you think she misbehaved with Monu when she hurt him in her eyes, but her misbehavior is a cry for love, not an act of cruelty. So you must look at her behavior as a sign of emotional distress, not cruelty or disobedience. See, you and your husband must not scold her. You must not use harsh words. Never beat her. Okay? Children are very sensitive. So don't say anything that hurts her. If you scold her, then her fear will increase. She will begin to believe that both her parents love Monu more than her. So instead, you must speak to her calmly and impose positive discipline. See, at the earliest opportunity, tell her that you understand that she was hurt when the ball hit her in the eye. No. She understood that Monu was hurt when the ball hit him, but
Yes.
hurting her brother after she got hurt is not right. No. Tell her that you love her and Monu equally. Okay. Ask her
Yeah.
to explain to you how he felt when how she felt when Monu was hurt in the eyes. She also must have felt badly, isn't it? She must have felt bad. So
Yeah.
you must give her emotional warmth and security. So talk with her, tell her to express her feelings openly, and children imitate what they say. So if you express calm, gentle behavior when you are talking with Monu or when you are handling him, Shivani will see the warmth and care and she will gradually learn to express the same. Sister, you must spend some quality time with Shivani. See, every day when your son is sleeping, give her some time. Okay? Keep a few minutes exclusively for her. Talk to her, read to her, tell her stories about your childhood days, or do something she enjoys. Praise her small achievements and positive behavior. When she misses school and coaching to help you with the household work, never scold her. Acknowledge her help, praise her for the work, praise her because she's trying to help you with the household work, and then you explain to her that at the present moment, her studies are more important to her than the work she does. See, you are tired. It's true. She understands that you are tired. But although you are tired, you can do everything after you take a little rest. But if she misses her studies at school and at the coaching, she will find it difficult to study and make up what she has missed. No, when you talk with her, ask about her school, ask about her friends, and what she wants to do when she grows up. Okay, so praise her for her help and good behavior so that she feels valued and appreciated. She requires emotional security. So reassure her that parental love does not decrease with the arrival of a new brother or sister. Tell her clearly that you love both of them equally. She will feel that you love her and her brother equally. Then she will feel secured. Your fear of leaving the baby with her after the incident is understandable and natural. But you must understand that Shivani's behavior, though problematic, was not done due to cruelty, but by emotional distress and attention seeking. So if you completely cut off Shivani from caring for her brother, it can deepen her sense of rejection and jealousy. So don't distrust her. Instead, involve her in caring for her brother. See, give her simple tasks like singing to him, putting him to sleep, or keeping away his toys in a proper place. So involve her in small activities like cooking for her brother or washing his plate and glass after use. But don't leave the baby entirely in her care right now. See, for the next few weeks, just allow her to help you under your supervision. Okay? You praise her for the positive actions. Whenever she behaves kindly towards her brother, you can praise her. You just acknowledge it. Tell her you are a very caring sister. Monu is very happy when he plays with you, right? So once she shows consistent calmness, you can allow her to be with him for very short time, say 10 to 15 minutes, no, while you remain nearby. But never force her to do anything for her brother. See, this may make her feel burdened. Instead, appreciate her help. Tell her that Monu smiles most when she plays with him. This will help her to form a caring bond and will lower feelings of competition. See, at the same time, encourage her interests. She loves dancing, so help her to join some dancing classes, right? And what I feel is, if you think you cannot give her time to accompany her to the dancing classes, you can get your neighbor's help or some friends' help, no? So that they can accompany her to the classes. Maybe see once a week, at least, you can help her to go to different art class or dancing class, no? Where she can show her talent. So motivate her to reconnect with her studies. Okay, and don't compare her with anybody. Tell her I'm proud of you, how you helped me today. You are so responsible. I hope you will do well. I know you will do well in your studies at school too. See, this will motivate her, and you must also tell her father to be a little patient with her and to become understanding and not to scold her. Okay. And never compare her with your son. Never say your brother is so good, right? And you must try to handle all disagreements very calmly. See, children misbehave not because they are bad, but because they are sad or hurt. So, Shivani's behavior is not merely naughtiness or disobedience. It shows emotional insecurity and jealousy arising from the birth of a younger brother. See, at 10 years old, you said she's 10 years old. Shivani is old enough to feel that your attention and her father's attention and have shifted from her to her brother. See, since both of you are very busy working because it is necessary to improve your monetary condition and you cannot give her enough time as you had done earlier when she was alone. So this adds to her emotional deprivation. So she is suffering from silent pain and she's craving for love and attention. So her misbehavior and her decline in interest in studies and attempts to please you by doing all the housework are just signs of emotional distress and inner cry for love and affection. Sister, she needs your love. She needs your understanding. She does not want you to scold her. So once she feels secure again, her caring nature and interest in studies will return naturally. You said she had scored very high marks till class 4, right?
Yeah.
But now
Mhm.
all of a sudden, her studies, she's not showing interest in studies. No.
Yes.
So I'm sure if you continue in this way, if you talk with her, if you spend time with her, I
Yes.
think your problems will be solved.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम मुझे इतना गाइड करने के लिए, क्योंकि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था। मुझे यही हो रहा था कि व्हेन आई चाइल्ड, जब मैं भी थी तो मुझे भी ऐसा फील हुआ था, बट वो मुझे भी आता था। बट ये आपकी काउंसलिंग से आई फील कि हाउ आई टेक केयर ऑफ माय बोथ चाइल्ड्स, कि दोनों को प्यार देना है, अफेक्शन एंड टेक केयर। क्योंकि मेरे मन में भी यही होता था कि मेरी मम्मा ना डजंट लव्स मी, बट वो मुझे भी होता था, वो मेरे से अभी भी थोड़ा डिफरेंस रहा है। अभी कभी मैं फील करती हूँ जब वो बात याद आ जाती है ना कभी, कि my mother loves the sister, younger sister, she likes very much and care। तो वही मुझे वही होता था, फिर मैं भी अपने बच्चे के साथ इस तरह से करती थी। तो फिर मुझे ही हुआ, बट ये आई थैंक माय फ्रेंड कि शी सजेस्ट मी गो टू तुलिका मैम एंड योर काउंसलिंग जो है इज वेरी परफेक्ट, and you answered me, and I have definitely yeah, apply this whatever you have to told me, कि what to do have with my daughter, कि जिससे कि वो concentrate करे and then uh, live happily with everyone, है ना। मेन यही है कि एवरीवन के साथ वो खुश रहे, एंड फिर धीरे धीरे। तो आई अंडरस्टैंड, सो थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच, यू हैव टू सॉल्व माय प्रॉब्लम।
Okay.
थैंक यू।
Sister, can we do a little meditation now?
व्हाटएवर यू से, मुझे
Okay.
मेडिटेशन के बारे में बता सकते हैं आप।
See, this
हाँ,
meditation is to relieve fear and anxiety. Okay. So you
रियली।
just sit comfortably wherever you are sitting, and you keep your back
ओके।
straight and shoulders relaxed. Okay.
ओके,
You
इस तरह
can
से।
keep your eyes closed if you want to,
ओके।
and focus in front of you. Okay. So
ओके।
take a few slow, deep breaths. Inhale peace, exhale all tension. Now, very silently, say in your own mind, I am calm, I am safe, I am in control of my thoughts. Now, very slowly, say to yourself in your own mind, I am a peaceful being, a point of light seated at the center of the forehead. Now, visualize a tiny light glowing between your eyebrows. This is your real self. Feel your awareness shifting from your worries to your inner self. Now, visualize a bright light above you, the supreme source of power, God. He is showering rays of peace and love upon you. Now, slowly and silently say in your mind, I, the soul, am connected to the Supreme Soul, the ocean of peace, love, and powers. Feel the light entering your mind and washing away all fear and pain. Now, very silently, slowly repeat in your mind, all my fears are illusions of the mind. I release my worries about my children, my family, and my future. I am protected by divine love and light. Now fill your mind with positive thoughts. I am strong. I am peaceful. I am capable. Whatever situation comes, I can handle it with patience and love. Allow these positive thoughts to fill your mind. Now, slowly become aware of your surroundings while feeling the peace within you. Open your eyes and smile.
It's what I said to you. I feel very relaxed when you meditation me gives me the meditation. I thought कि कोई बात ही नहीं हुई है, and I connected to the God, and I feel a little uh, shining rays over on my head, full body. So thank you, ma'am. This meditation is very, very what I say to you कि ये क्या है, ये ऐसे लग रहा है कि कुछ मैं कहीं और ही दुनिया में थी. तो ये मुझे ये कैसे अब मैं कर सकती हूँ, मैं जानना चाहूंगी.
See, sister, when you wake up in the morning, okay, and before you go to sleep, but for
Okay.
10 to 15 minutes after you wake up in the morning and
Mhm.
5 minutes before going to sleep, you must
Mhm.
practice some affirmations. You
Okay.
must say to yourself, I am a peaceful and powerful being.
Acha,
I am the creator of my thoughts and feelings. I choose peace over fear. Every challenge is an opportunity for me to grow stronger.
जी.
God's love and power protect me and my family. I radiate calmness to my children and family. Sister, while you are working, you're very busy, but
Yeah.
just for 1 minute, stop,
Mhm.
close your eyes, take a deep
Mhm.
breath, and remind
Mhm.
yourself, I am a peaceful being. See, if you face conflict, if you face any problem, don't react.
Mhm.
Just sit down, close your eyes, and say to yourself, remind yourself, I am a peaceful being. See, this
Okay.
will help you to control anger and emotional responses. And
Okay.
slowly you will notice that your
Mhm.
mind has become calmer, your
Mhm.
anxiety has reduced. See,
Oh.
you will develop more patience with your children. You will sleep better and you will be
Mhm.
able to focus at your work much more. Right?
Okay.
And
Oh, yeah.
through gradual trust building,
Mhm.
patient communication with your children, and emotional warmth, both children will grow up in a loving, safe, and secure environment. I
Okay.
wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Om Shanti.